Hello everyone, you are welcome to Past Light Insight Academy. So we are still under our math challenge. So this is one of the questions that we're having today on indices. So these complex questions on indices. We have to solve these questions and our final answer to be 27. So we are using all the principle of indices. So let's start and see. So let's start. Solution. So you can see now 9 raised to power n, that is can be as 3 raised to power 2, open bracket, what is there? N plus 1 over 4. This is times, this half. But let's first do this. 3, pick one 3 out of this. 3, this times. This one is raised to power 1, but you did not write it. And from our lots of indices, times turn to plus n all over. Do this 3 times. Because please, the difference between this and this, they are not the same. This one is cube roots. But this one, 3 stand on its own. Please don't mix it together. So let's do this now. 3 raised to power minus n. Square root means half. 1 over 2. Open bracket, close bracket, raised to power of 1 over n. So let's continue. 3 raised to power 2 times n, that is 2n. Plus 2 times 1 over 4, that is 1 over 2. Times, and do this to 3 raised to power 1 plus n. Open bracket, close bracket. Your square root is all over. 3 times 3 raised to power minus n times half, that is minus n over 2, or 1n over 2. Open bracket, close your bracket, raised to power 1 over n. So let's continue. Use this half to open the bracket. 3 raised to power 2n plus half times 1 is half times n, that is n over 2, all over 3. Pick one 3 out of this. This is raised to power of 1 times turn to plus, open bracket, minus n over, open bracket, close the bracket, raised to power 1 over n. So let's continue. Pick one 3 out of this. Before that, if you want to add them together, there's no problem. But you can pick one 3 out of them. So pick one 3. 3 raised to power. What do you have there? 2n plus 1 over 2 times turn to plus 1 over 2. This plus n over 2. Then all this, let them to be going up one by one. It's very easy. This one is also 3. This is division. Division turn to minus. 1 is going up minus 1. Minus n over 2 is going up plus n over. If it's minus, going up plus. If it's plus, going up minus. So let's pick one 3 like that. Open bracket, close bracket, raised to power 1 over n. So let's see. Use your LCM of 2. The LCM of 2 for all of them. This one is over 1. This one is over 1. 1 into 2, 2 times 2n, 4n, plus 2 into 1, 1 times 1, 1. 2 into 1, 1 times 1, 1. 2 into 1, 1 times n, n. 1 into 2, 2 times 1, 2. 2 into 1, 1 times n, n. So that's what we're having there, raised to power 1 over n. So let's see, let's add them and see our answer. 4n plus n, 5n, plus n, 6n. So we're having 6. Let's go 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. There's no number there. Over 2, there's still 2, raised to power 1 over n. So this times n cancel n. You only have 6 over 2. So remaining, how many 2 can you say in 6? 3. So 3 raised to power 3 means 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So we've already proved this question is equals to 27. If you like these videos, you want to make this video to be more meaningful to you. I know that you understand this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.